Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get more cars and buy them on Forza Street. So right here we're on like the home menu when you first open the app. You'll only be able to see this screen, all the features, etc. If you have completed the first tutorial race in the first tournament, you're going to see all these features here once you've actually done that. So make sure you do that first if you want to buy more cars and get them. But once you've done that, click on the top left hand corner, the third one along. As you can see, it's highlighted blue once you've clicked it. That one there with the key and the two little cars next to it. And then you can purchase cars in here, or like packs for cars. At the one on the left right there, it's like a car like pack. When you click it, you'll be able to guarantee like a 2 or 3 star German car. Like open the pack and then it will like land on a random one. So you can buy that either with gold, premium tickets, or credits. You can get like the premium tickets, gold, etc. by also completing like daily challenges. As you can see, like the daily login, etc. All these things here. You've got the challenges with like different things. You know, premium tickets here, perform 5 perfect breaks, etc. Like that. There's also obviously the winning race, but you can also buy it as well if you click the plus on the top right hand corner. Yeah, I know it's annoying, you can buy everything, and people like get ahead because they can buy things. It's annoying, I know, but it is what it is. Don't dislike the video, it's not my fault, I didn't make the decision. But if you can also go on to like specific class of cars and stuff, if you go back on that menu, then click class, then you like buy your supercar or like that, click on there, etc. You can buy resources, things like that. So, and then once you've got the cars, you can like go into like the car menu on the top left here, then click on them, you can customize them, change the color, etc. like that. So hopefully that did answer all the questions. Leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos. That's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.